Hey, Anna. Hey, baby. Oh, you can sit Daddy your earrings, huh? Say, Daddy, I got my ears pierced. Nope, we're just gonna stare at the big box in front of me. Yeah, Mommy's kind of crazy, I know. A little bit crazy. Gee, she's got that look like, Daddy, why did you leave me with her? Yep. Bless you.